Bug. Yeah, we're trying to get a bug out.
Chasing me.
Okay, this is going to be attempt 2 or 3. 3 or I don't know. Whatever. I want to try it again. Okay. We're almost ready.
Onward and upward. Stop.
Keep pushing. Go, go.
Hit anything, okay? Oh shit.
Yeah. Yes. Swerve! Swerve! Oh, God! Right. Okay, yeah. Do a YouTube.
What about down street?
No.
Make sure we don't don't let go of us, okay? I don't want to hit anything. Too bad.
All right, let's do it again. I want to hit a bump. Let's just U-turn, like go over here. Let's just cruise around over there, like on the side, the parking.
Man, people are gonna think we're fucking.
Go fast. All right, then we
falls
just.
off, loses.
Okay, that's the rule.
Bro, we'll be like.
He'll swerve us.
And once we fall off, he's like, "Oh, I'm so sorry." Alright, let me push you.
Holy fuck.
Hurry up and get in. Was that scary? Yeah?
Yeah, it was. Wait, hold up.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Alright, record his reaction. Oh no, man. I need to hang on.
Hold up.
Okay.
Oh, wait, just grab it. I just want to scoop that. It's still recording, by the way.
Alright. No, I thought you were.
What? What? I'm just scooting this.
No,
Let him hold it.
here. I'm gonna throw it.
Hold up. It's my phone.
Here. Here we go.
Are y'all ready? Okay.
Oh, this is gonna be fucking. Make sure we don't hit anything. Just keep us around here.
I'm sorry for anything I did to you. Please, somebody. I thought you were gonna make us hit that. I thought you were gonna make us hit that. My ass.
No, I'm backwards.
Oh, my foot. Wait, hold up. I'm dying.
What? Alright, just page up the question. Oh, hole?
Don't pull.
I thought you were gonna make us hit it.
Alright, it's recording now. Who's it?
Oh my god. Dude, it smells like ramen.
I know, I was like,
Why does it smell like that? Are we going too fast?
let me see the phone. All right.
Let me push you up.
Okay. And there's Pedro again. All right, y'all want to do something different or what?
Huh?
Y'all want to do something different or
Push
just...
down a hill.
That sounds like a
Get
good...
down that street down there.
Nah. What if we swerve or hit a car?
It's fine. It's fun, isn't it?
Oh my god.
Damn, you guys are hard.
Ugh, it smells nasty.
Right.
All right, go. I'm gonna get in the middle.
Ah,
Uh,
dude, it smells so bad.
It's probably the metal.
Do you have water?